In today's short and simple tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can untag yourself from all the posts on Facebook in one single click. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to untag yourself from all the posts on Facebook, you need to open Facebook application. At the top right corner of your screen, you will see your profiles icon. So click on it. Then click on the settings icon. Now click on the search option and in the search bar type activity log. Click on manage activity and then click on this option that says activity you are tagged in, and here you will see all the post, comment and everything else on which you are tagged. So in order to untag yourself, click on this all option, and then all you have to do is to click on this remove tags option, and that's it. Once you click on it, you will be untagged from all the Facebook posts. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.